The great blizzard of '67 strikes the Atlantic coast from Virginia to Maine. It's a triple header, packing heavy snow, gale winds, and sub-zero temperatures. 75 deaths are blamed on the storm. Major cities, including New York, are brought to a standstill, with the fresh blanket covering a slick, icy undercoat. Manhattan's famous garment district struggles against the elements, and everywhere, man and machine try to cope with the steady snowfall, totaling 12 inches in the city. After several hours, traffic is paralyzed, with many abandoned vehicles quickly covered by the drifting snow. It's the city's worst blizzard in 6 years. Operation Dig Out is started while temperatures reach 6 degrees above zero. An army of 10,000 workers attacks the drifts, while schools remain closed for 2 days. Following on the heels of the warmest New York January on record, it's a crushing blow, and weathermen predict more snow directly ahead.